Now, first of all, if you want to start a YouTube channel, you should have something in mind. What do you really want to do that will interest the people? Either you want to pass information across to the people, your audience, or they are not your audience yet. Either you want to pass information to people or you want to entertain them. So if you really want to entertain them, it's not a problem. If you want to pass information, it's not also a problem. That is a very good thing, entertaining people and giving out information. If you really want to give out information, that means you have a lot of things and you want people to learn, you want to give out value. So you can easily get subscribers that way. But now we'll be talking about the basic things you need to do if you want to start a YouTube channel. First of all, you need to have a Gmail account. Gmail account is that Gmail account you will use in creating your YouTube channel. You can't use a Yahoo account or OV account or other mail accounts. You need a Gmail account to open your YouTube channel. You need a Gmail account to open your YouTube channel. And now, apart from opening the channel, before you open the channel yourself, you need a name that you can easily remember and a name that other people can remember. You can't just create a channel and you name it 12345. It doesn't make sense. Nobody wants to subscribe to a channel called 12345, except maybe you really want to talk about numbers.